Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rolling Spotlight, where we shine a light on the latest and greatest in mobility tech. I'm Devin, and today we're taking a closer look at something seriously impressive, the Jazzy Carbon Ultralight by Portability. Now, if you ever traveled with a wheelchair, you know the struggle with weight, bulk, and awkward storage can turn a simple trip into a logistical nightmare. But the Jazzy Carbon Ultra Lite aims to fix all of that and then some more. Pride didn't forget comfort. The seat is breathable, the foot platform is adjustable, and the armrests even flip up and down for making it easy to transfer in and out. This chair is functional and well thought out. Whether you're rolling through a museum, catching a flight, or just heading to the park, the Jazzy Ultralight is built to move with you, not against you. Let's talk weight first. This chair clocks in at just 33 pounds without the battery. That's airline friendly and light enough for many people to lift into a trunk without breaking a sweat. The frame is made of carbon fiber, strong enough for everyday use, but light enough to carry. It folds down in literally seconds with no tools and no drama. You get a lithium ion battery that can take you up to 16.4 miles on a full charge. Plus, the joystick controller is responsive and intuitive whether you're navigating a tight corner or cruising on the sidewalk. With a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, this chair accommodates a wide range of users without compromising on portability. It has a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour and can go up to 16.4 miles on a full charge. So who's this chair for? If you're an active traveler, need something you or a caregiver can lift easily, or just want a reliable, stylish, everyday power chair that fits in the back seat, the Jazzy Carbon Ultralight might be your next ride. To sum it up, lightweight, portable, airline approved, and surprisingly comfortable. The Jazzy Carbon Ultralight lives up to the hype and then some. If you're curious or have questions, you're welcome to stop by the store and take a closer look, or just take it for a test drive, or give us a call. We're here to help you figure out what works best for you. Thanks for spending a few minutes with us today, and we'll catch you next time on the Rolling Spotlight.